Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a one-sided rose flower arrangement. You require an oasis which helps to retain the water in a flower arrangement, a glass container or a plastic disposable container. You'd also require a knife to cut the oasis, along with that scissors which help you to cut the flowers and the foliages, a duster where you could cover the tabletop, and also you require flowers which could be the Dutch roses, yellow in color, chrysanthemum, some foliages like baby's breath, very beautiful foliage that we use, along with that kamini leaves which are easily available here in Mumbai. So to begin with, first you need to have the oasis which is completely wet. I had kept this oasis inside the water for at least 2 minutes, because of which now you see a change in the color. The reason we use this oasis is one, to fix the flowers in proper shape. At the same time, it's a medium through which the plant absorbs the water. So make sure it's completely wet. While you're cutting the oasis, the best way to do is to cut it from the all the diagonal sides, which helps to fix the oasis properly inside it. While you're placing the oasis inside the container, do it gently. Cutting it from all the sides, corners, would help you to insert it properly. You don't need to fix the oasis entirely inside the container. There could be a space left below. As you see in my particular video also, I have not fixed the oasis completely inside the container. You could decorate the base with some beads or stones and then fix the oasis inside the container. That should also be fine. Now I've started with the flower arrangement. I want to have a C shape wherein the flowers from a higher level start moving towards the lower level of the arrangement. I'm using yellow color Dutch roses. I have already removed the thorns, some leaves from the flowers. And I'm going to now start making a symmetry or a shape in a flower arrangement. An important principle of flower arrangement is you should always, with the help of flowers or any required stems that you have. Now, it's always an important step that you should always remember. Do not cut the flower stem to the smallest length. Always keep at least 1.5 inches of height available, so that whenever you want to make changes, you're not reason why you have to keep a little bit higher bring out the changes. Because you also see now look at the arrangement, and when you want even to when I out some changes in it of the arrangement, still have some amount of stem left where you can trim it out, or you can use it in some other direction. It looks perfect on sometimes the container. You also not see that there are some flowers which do not hold the shape. There are different flower arrangement principles, like such something called scale, rhythm, size, focal point. The flowers, all these are elements of flower arrangement that should be understood before you make a flower arrangement. Now when I started with the first flower, I tried to place the first 3 flowers in a vertical direction. But as I'm descending down, you would see that I would use the flowers in a diagonal shape. I'm trying to place all the flowers in a diagonal manner to make them look more lively. All flowers never to be placed in a vertical direction, but always to be placed in a diagonal direction. At times when you have an arrangement like this one has a symmetry, in such cases you may have some flowers which could be placed vertical or which could be placed horizontal to form a shape. Or else whenever you make an arrangement, it's always better to place your flowers in a diagonal manner. For making this arrangement, I have used 10 Dutch roses and a bunch of chrysanthemum and few foliages too. So as we are moving further, the flowers have to be placed and fixed in a proper shape. I'm going to have a look at the arrangement and then do some more changes in the arrangement until and unless I'm assured that the arrangement is looking proper. Now whenever you place the flowers at the lower levels, we make sure that they are closer to the oasis, they're covering the oasis. At the moment when you look at an arrangement, it has a shape, but it has not covered the oasis. So the next task would be complementing the flowers with an opposite color. Second, trying to fix the flowers in such a way that the oasis of the arrangement is not at all seen. So once I fix all the flowers in a proper shape, if you see now, I have changed the direction of some of the flowers, which are not vertical but which are diagonally placed. And some more flowers here and there I would be adding so that they are balancing the arrangement. The principle of repetition, that is use of similar flowers till you get a symmetry or a same form, is also a part of principles of arrangement. So we have used repetition, we have used scale, we have used design. So we have completed the first step of an arrangement. Now I'm going to place chrysanthemums. This is another flower variety which is very beautiful and available right now. When I'm placing the flowers, I make sure that I'm covering the oasis properly. I'm also making it more denser to give a focal point to this arrangement. What do you mean by focal point? A center of attraction, anything that attracts the eyes for a longer period of time would be called as focal point. So I'm going to place the chrysanthemum flowers in between and in the center of the flower arrangement. Never place the flowers one besides the other, but scatter them out or else place them in different directions. Whenever you add greens to a flower arrangement, it makes the arrangement look more beautiful and it gives a contrasting effect. I'm using the kamini leaves. I have cut them short and I'm taking only a single branch of it and then fix it inside the flower arrangement. So this is a flower arrangement wherein we are using the kamini leaves. You could use bottle grass, you could use fern, you could also use something like cycas plant, which could also give a nice shape. This arrangement is more about the yellow flowers and hence I'm not paying more attention towards greens. I just want to add a dash of green color, hence I've used it to make a backdrop. If you look at the arrangement right now, it has totally covered the entire oasis. You are not able to see the oasis at all. But at the same time in this arrangement, I have given a bit of green color by placing the foliage in between the flowers. As I said before that it should not have all the flowers which are vertical. Also, while you're placing the foliage, you should place them in a diagonal manner and they should never cover the flowers. They should be just below the flowers or they could be behind the flowers. So your flowers should always be seen from any direction or any side. Again, it depends on the style of flower arrangement. All round, yes, they have to be seen from all sides. This one is one-sided, so a backdrop is of green foliage. And some more foliages in the front end so that it gives a nice unity or harmony to the arrangement. What you have placed behind, you're also complementing it by placing them in the front part of the arrangement. Whenever you want to decorate the front part of arrangement, always use smaller length of foliages. So when you talk about the backdrops, the length of the foliages are mostly higher. But when it comes to any kind of foliages which are placed in the front side of an arrangement, they should be shorter. They should be behind the flowers. At the same time, they should always have a contrasting effect on the arrangement. We are almost there with the flower arrangement. Now to highlight them or else to add more white color to the arrangement, I'm using some of the baby's breath in between. You don't have to place baby's breath all over. It is in between the gaps of yellow and white flowers. I'm going to arrange some amount of baby's breath. Baby's breath is again a beautiful foliage, a bit expensive, but at the same time it has a good shelf life. So it could easily last for say 3 to 5 days if stored at a proper temperature. All flower arrangements can remain for a longer period of time depending on what temperature and what kind of medium you have used the flowers on. So baby's breath added in between and some spaces of the flower arrangement. With this we complete with the one-sided flower arrangement.